Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the latest news and trends shaping the electric vehicle revolution. Today, we're taking a closer look at Ford's shocking decision to halt its FNV4 electrical and software architecture development, citing massive losses that are outpacing even the risks associated with tariffs. You might remember Ford's ambitious plans to use the FNV4 tech in its future vehicles, but it seems those plans have hit a roadblock. Now, we're learning more about what led to this decision. According to reports, Ford is facing significant financial challenges as it transitions to electric vehicles, and these losses are starting to eat away at their bottom line. The shift towards electric vehicles has been rapid and exciting, but it's also brought some harsh realities to the forefront. One of the biggest challenges facing automakers like Ford is scaling up production while managing costs. Electric vehicles require significant investments in new technologies and manufacturing processes, which can be pricey. And let's not forget the tariffs. The ongoing trade tensions between the US and China have made it increasingly difficult for companies to source critical components. Now, we know that Ford has been exploring alternative solutions to mitigate these risks, but halting development of the FNV4 architecture seems like a drastic move. The question on everyone's mind is, what does this mean for Ford's future plans? Will they be able to recover from these financial setbacks and stay competitive in the rapidly evolving EV market? At Electro Drive News, we'll continue to follow this story and bring you updates as more information becomes available. In the meantime, it's clear that Ford is facing some tough decisions that will ultimately shape the future of electric vehicles and the automotive industry at large. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in to Electro Drive News. We'll be back with more news and insights on the world of electric vehicles soon.